Today we're going to be discussing in-place upgrade. As you can see, I have two different types of operating systems that we're going to be using for this training today. So first one is I have Windows Server 2019, which is our main domain controller. On this operating system, I have installed a bunch of tools that actually will help us to deploy a new operating system today. So I also have another operating system, which is Windows 7 Ultimate. This is very old operating system that we're going to be upgrading to Windows 8 today. So the first step when you get into your Windows 7 is bring up the PowerShell, alright, and type in this command. My server name is dev-100 / deployment share. So deployment share $/ script, directory name and scripts inside our domain controller / light touch .vbs. So this is the command that we're going to be using today to upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 8. So go on and press enter. So once you have pressed enter, our MDT, so Microsoft Deployment Toolkit prompt will pop up and getting ready to upgrade our Windows 7 to Windows 8. So you will get this screen and we're going to choose Windows 8. This is a task sequence that I have already prepared before this lesson. I'm going to be showing you in the future lesson how to actually configure your Windows server to be able to deploy across the network, to be able to deploy operating system across the network. So we'll click on next, and then we'll name our computer DEV300, and we'll click next and choose any your local time. You can choose any preference, specify your preference here, and click next. Screen, which is credentials, enter the local administrator credentials. Enter the password, and of course this is our domain controller name or our domain name. Click next, and on the summary page, feel free to look at the details of what you're deploying and just click on begin. Once you click on the begin, you'll see the Windows 8 installation has now begun on our old Windows 7 computer, and it's going to take some time depending on your network to upgrade and deploy our new Windows 8. So let's take a short break, and once the Windows 8 has been fully installed, we'll be right back. Windows is now almost ready to finish installation, and you will receive a couple of reboots during the process, and then once the reboot completes, you should be able to get a screen for you to, of course, log into the new Windows 8, and then that screen should be able to tell you to input your username and then your password. Finally, as you can now see, we have successfully installed Windows 8 using the in-place upgrade method. So we can just check for Let's go ahead and check the version of this Windows 8. Alright, so you can see we have Windows 8 version 6.3. okay, and that's how to use in-place upgrade to install Windows 8 on an old operating system. If this has been informative for you, if you have gained anything from this tutorial, please like, subscribe and share with your friend. See you next time.